Okay, I want to show you a great deal they have on the Ryobi impact wrenches. So you come up here, type in Ryobi impact wrench. I got it down here already, so I just click on it. You type it in there. And click on the impact wrenches. Okay, now right here, they have it at $139. This is their everyday price for a 1/2 inch impact wrench, just the tool alone. But they have them on sale right now. For $99, you get the 4 amp hour battery and a charger in a bag. They're not showing the bag, but you get the bag too. And this is a pretty good deal. You know, it's normally $140 just the tool alone. It says it produces 300 foot-pounds. I have this tool, and I'm going to have a video coming up in a couple weeks where I do a tool review on it. And I would say that it's not 300 foot-pounds. It delivers maybe like between 150 and 200 foot-pounds. But still, it's pretty good for if you're doing automobile work. You're not really going to find any bolts that are tighter than that. I mean, unless they're really rusted on or something. But this will pretty much take anything off. I gotta say, Home Depot is pretty good because I bought this tool about 3 weeks ago for $140. I brought it back to them, and they gave me they took the tool back and they gave me this kit. So plus they gave me like $42 back. Home Depot is pretty good with their policy there. I think they have a 30 days. As long as it's 30 days, you bring it back, it goes on sale. You can get it. This is one here too. Click on this one. Yeah. Now this one, you get just the tools, but you get the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch, and it's for $109. That's a pretty good deal. You know, if you got the batteries already and stuff like that, this is a great deal. Because these tools alone, this one usually goes for about $100 by itself. This one goes for about $140 by itself usually. So I mean, that's $240 right there. You're saving a lot. Well, I figured I'd just show you guys these. I was, going through this stuff and I seen these, and figured I'd share it with other people. You know, if you need impact wrenches, like I said, it doesn't deliver. I've got the 3/8 one and I have the 1/2 inch one. The 3/8 is supposed to go to 150 foot-pounds, which I don't think it does 150. It probably does between 100 and 150. And I would say the 1/2 inch probably does between, I'd say 150 to 200. 200 max, I would say. It's just my opinion, but that's what it feels like to me, anyways. So I don't know how long this sale is going to go on for. It might end at Thanksgiving. It might go on till New Year's. I don't know. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.